Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is recruitment of junior engineers in National Capital Region Transport Corporation. This is a purely contract basis notification. Okay, here total vacancies are around 52. So in that unreserved candidates having unreserved seats 23 and OBC 14, SC 7, ST 3 and economically weaker section having 5 vacancies. Okay, so this is junior engineers 2 and civil engineering, and the basic pay is 27,500 and the gross is 97,350, and the net salary we can expect around 40,000 to 45,000. Okay, and the maximum age limit is 28 years and a qualification diploma in civil engineering. I repeat, qualification diploma in civil engineering. Okay, and experience, a minimum 1 year experience in civil construction work, preferably with metro rail or railways construction project. Okay, so regarding project, just you can go through this particular section, and one more thing here, just you can observe, diploma in engineering civil is essential, without which higher qualification will not be considered for candidates. So whoever completed their graduation in engineering without having diploma degree, those people are not compatible with this notification. Okay, and these are the physical and medical fitness requirements, and just you can go through that. And selection process basis on eligibility and experience in the relevant field will be called for the written examination. After that, the date and time pattern of written exam shall be communicated to the candidates in advance. The written examination shall be held in Delhi only. This is also very important. Written examination shall be held in Delhi only. Okay, and the candidates shall have to make own arrangements for travel and stay. And the surety bond, you have to produce 1,50,000 surety bond after getting the call letter. And term of contractual employment, this is so the appointment shall be made purely on contract basis for a period of 3 years. Okay, which will be reviewed every year. Okay, and 3-year contractual employment service. Okay, and this is complete offline application form. So complete filled application should reach this office latest by 4th December 2020. So envelope containing the duly filled up application should be superscribed as application for the post of junior engineering to civil contract basis, and you have to write this particular address and on envelope, and you can attach certain duly the application should support with the following documents. Okay, duly self-attested copies of educational certificate, matriculation on boards, and work experience certificate. Application without supporting education certificate, experience certificate, it shall not be entertained. Shortlisted candidate will be informed on their email address, and they will have to appear for the interview on the scheduled date and time with all original documents and testimony. Okay, so this is regarding National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, and this is the application form. Application for the post of junior engineer in civil. Fill this application form, and you have to attach the documents with self-assisted, and the entire thing you have to put it on envelope, and you write this particular address. And this is regarding requirement of junior engineers contract basis. So this is for only civil engineering students, so diploma in civil engineering students only. So for further job update, please subscribe my channel, please like this video and share this information with your friends whoever required. And if you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, and just you can comment on comment box. Thank you.